In this video, I am going to show you how to make $1,000 in commission for absolutely free, simple and easy. All right, so if you look at this website that I am about to show you right here, if you look on my screen, you are going to see that they are going to pay you 50% in commission. Most affiliate network will usually give you 30% or less. All right, so basically, for those who don't know what commission means, it's an affiliate marketing term that means you will get 50% from any payment from whoever you refer to this platform. Okay, and also you can see they have 45 days cookie lifespan, which means if your referral comes to your page for the first time, if they didn't make a purchase, you still have about 45 days to be credited whenever they make a purchase. Okay, and also you can see their payout is very quick. They pay on time. They also give you newsletters and more features and deals that can help you even increase your earnings. And also they are going to give you access to dedicated affiliate management team that are going to help you in boosting your earnings. All right, so if you come to the main page of this website I'm going to show you very soon, you can see these are reviews from top brands and also including Trustpilot as well. All right, so this website is literally safe and easy to use. Okay, so the website is kickstar.co. As you can see right here, they are going to help you get real Instagram followers, and they don't use bots to get followers. You can see right here is better than buying followers. So basically what happens is you are going to send Kickstar a bunch of profiles that make content similar to yours. So what Kickstar does for you is Kickstar is going to engage with the followers of those profiles using your account. So basically you have a very high chance of those people following you back, since Kickstar is helping you to engage with those followers. So basically that is how Kickstar works. All right, so basically what we are going to be doing as an affiliate is you want to scroll down to the very bottom of the page and you want to click on affiliate, because we are going to be promoting this website to those who need help in growing their Instagram accounts. All right, so once you click on affiliates, it's going to bring you to this page right here. As you can see right here, make money with Kickstar. All right, so now the next thing you want to do is you can also come here to check the pricing. You can see they have a bunch of plans right here that you can choose from, and I am going to show you how to drive targeted traffic to this page so that you can make as much as you can. And also you can see they have frequently asked questions. If you want to go through that, you can. So now I am going to show you how to drive traffic to this website and help people grow their Instagram accounts. So you want to go on to Google and you want to type in a business and then you want to type in a location. Okay, so basically I am going to take gym as an example and I am going to take Philadelphia as an example location. Okay, so basically you want to type in a business and a location. All right, it doesn't matter whichever one you choose, you just want to follow this step. Okay, so once you've done that, you can see there are you're going to see a lot of businesses right here on Google. Okay, so and I am going to show you an example of the right target for this strategy. So let me take this one as an example, this retro fitness. So if I open this page, so basically you want to do the same thing. You want to go to the website of this page to find out if they have an Instagram account or not. Okay, so if we come to this page right here, you want to scroll, you want to look around the page. So usually it's around the bottom of the page. All right, so you can see it right here. So if I click on their Instagram profile, you can see right here that this account has over 10,000 followers already. So basically this type of account is of no benefit to us. They are already doing well on Instagram, so by all means you don't want to go with this type of account. So let me show you an example of an account that is going to work well with this strategy. So you want to keep scrolling. You want to literally open all of these pages. Okay, so let me take this one as an example. So if I open this one, all right, as you can see, this is the page right here. So you want to scroll down to the very bottom of this page, like the first one, and look for their Instagram account. So this is their Instagram account right here. So if I click on that, you can see right here that this account just have a little over 1,000 followers and they are a business. So as you can see, the account is a business account. So basically you can see that they don't have much followers on their account. So this type of accounts are a perfect target for this method. So definitely you are going to send a DM to accounts like this and let them know that they can get more followers on their Instagram profile, because the more followers they have on Instagram, the more they are going to look legit to their potential clients, and the more money they are going to make. So basically you want to look for accounts like this that have around 1,000 to 2,000 followers or less. All right, you don't want to go for account that already has a lot of followers, because they are already doing well and they don't need Kickstarter. So basically you want to go through each and every of these accounts and you want to send them a DM on Instagram. And once you sign up on Kickstarter, you want to grab your affiliate link and you want to send it to this website. And once they come on to Kickstarter and they decide to go with this plan right here, this is the highest plan right here. Okay, so all you need is 10 people to make $1,000. all right, so if you can get 10 accounts that have little followers, and for the fact that they are a business, they are going to be willing to spend money to grow their business. All right, so basically that will be all for this video, and if you find any value, please leave a like on this video. If you have any question, drop them down below and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.